Student, today we are going to see chain hanging on the table. Half of the chain will be like this, half of the chain on the table, okay, with friction, okay. What is the maximum length can be hanging here, so without slide, okay. So this is the concept we are going to discuss. Actually we are going to derive this equation. Y is the length of hanging, okay. So this is the equation we are going to prove, okay. Mu is coefficient of friction, L is total length of the chain, okay. So total length I am taken as a L, okay. L is the length of the chain, okay. Now this much is going to be it is Y length is hanging, okay. The remaining this much length is going to be a L minus Y remaining length, okay. Y here, the remaining length here, okay. Total length is going to be L, length of the chain, okay. Now what is going to happen, I am going to take it as the mass per unit length, okay. Usually mass will be m only, now we are taken as a mass per unit length, m by L, okay. This is a total mass per unit length of the chain, okay. Now what is the weight is acting here, okay. I am taken W1, weight is acting down, weight is equal to m times of G. What is mass? So we know mass is not a mass per unit length. So mass per unit length, at what length it is there, okay. W1 it's created because of what length, the length is going to be a Y, okay. Y times of G, it's very simple, Y times of G, okay. This is a total weight of the chain hanging downwards, that's going to be m by L, that's mg only, just they are including this mass, okay. M by L, Y times of G, okay. This much weight is hanging, okay. Now here it is a weight is acting downwards, normal reactional force is upwards, okay. So when the chain is sliding, this side will be the friction force will be created, okay. The friction, this chain will be act as like it's changing this weight to that side, okay. So now what is the thing is going to happen, friction force is equal to mu times of N, okay, normal reactional force. What is mu? Mu coefficient of friction, okay. So N is how much, no? N I know, it is normal reactional force. Normal reactional force is depend on this much weight, okay. How much is length, okay. So it's going to be mu times of m by L, that length is already I told you, it's going to be L minus Y, okay, into G, okay. It's very simple, normal reactional force we know mg only, okay, that is on the table, okay. But m right now, this going to be, this is a value of m, okay. The m value is going to change because the length of the chain, okay. This much is a m, okay. Now when this two is equal, we will take it the maximum possibilities when friction force and weight 1 is equal, that time it will be slide, okay. It has to be less than that, okay. The maximum value of Y only we are calculating, friction force is equal to mu times of normal force, normal reactional force is equal to W1. What is normal reactional force? The weight of the chain on the table, that's a normal reactional force, okay. So that's going to be, already I know, that's m by L, okay, into L minus Y into G, okay. It's very simple, okay. What is W1? Weight hanging down, it's going to be m by L into Y distance with G, okay. That's it, the problem is get over, okay. So this only we want to derive, m by L get cancel, G get cancel, okay. Now simplification, mu times of L minus mu into Y, okay, is equal to, here what we have, Y only we are going to calculate this. If you are bringing left side to right side, you will get Y plus mu Y is equal to mu times of L, okay. This is called coefficient of friction, okay. What is the next step I can get? The final solution we are going to get with the next step, okay. So this, if you are bringing here, the negative will become positive, okay. So here I am taken Y is a common outside, Y if you are taken common outside, 1 plus coefficient of friction is equal to coefficient of friction times of length, okay. So now Y is equal to mu L divided by 1 plus coefficient of friction. This is a maximum length can be hanging, okay. More than this means the chain will get slide, okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.